Oh my god. I have a huge box from L'Occitane. I want to know what's in it. We have a body cream. This is with the almond oil. This is the Citron Lumen Sienna. Citron Lumen Sienna from L'Occitane. It's made with almond oil and it's milk concentrated. This is hand cream and this is 5% shea butter. We have another package inside the package. This is the Le Grand Voyage L'Occitane package. This is hand and body soap. This is also the Citron Lumen Sienna. And then we have the mini hand cream. How cool is this? Oh my god! This is the advent calendar from L'Occitane? What a surprise! I didn't even know this was the advent calendar. Okay, we have number 1. We have the mini hand cream. I didn't even know there's more on this side. This whole thing has boxes. We need to open it right now. Number 2. Oh my god. I literally use the bigger bottle every single day. This is the shower oil. Oh my god. This is so cute. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 is on this side. We have more lotion. The mini body lotion. Let's go to number 4. 4 is right here. Oh my god. Why they're so cute. This is so adorable. This is the youth cream and it's the... I've never tried this one. This is the most cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, we have number 5. This is the body milk. The body milk mini. These are so cute. I'm keeping them. Like, I am keeping them. That's it. 5. Number 6. What is 6? This is the cutest advent calendar of this year for me. Oh my god. L'Occitane. You guys are so cute. Look, this little mini bar soap. Yes, it's a cube for bath. Oh my god. These are adorable. 5. So 6, 7. Where is 7? I thought I saw 7. 7 is right here. This is a shower gel mini. Oh my god, these are so cute. I can't stop myself. And then we have number 8. We have more hand cream. Oh my god. You guys have to understand something about me. My hands literally needs cream on every second. Like, I have cream in my car, my purse, my house, and every corners. Like, I constantly put cream on my hand and my body. That's how I am. Like, the most thing that disappears out of my house faster, it goes out faster, is body lotion. So I need a lot of body lotion and hand cream, and these are perfect. Right time. Number 9. Oh my god. Is this a body scrub? Yes, it is. This is the cutest body scrub. Oh my god. We have more to go. I think we have 23. Well, how many do we have? I think we have 23, so we have more to go. Almost number 10. This is 10. This is the body gel. We have more body gel. We have the larger one, and then we have another size. This is so cute. This is super cute. So that was 10. Number 11. Number 11, where are you? These little minis. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. This is the Overnight Reset Oil Serum. L'Occitane, you're so cute for creating this. This is so cute. Look, it's almost the size of my nose. A little bit longer. Number 12. Do we have more lotion? Yes, we do. We have more lotion. Oh my gosh, these are so cute and adorable. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Number 13. Do we have more lotion? This is a shampoo conditioner. Oh my god, I have never tried L'Occitane conditioner and shampoo. This is a shampooing and conditioner. This is perfect for the airport. Like, I'm definitely taking this with me when I travel. Number 14. 14. This is shower cream. shower cream. Why I've never used the shower cream before. And it has 5% shea butter. Okay, I lost count. What was the last one? 10. We need to find 15. It's right here. This is so adorable and cute. Oh my god. I can't get over these little minis. These are the soothing hand cream. Oh my god. I am so obsessed with these little minis. Here we go. 16. Oh my god. We have, I think, a full size. I think it's a full size, but this is a soap. Oh my god. This is the extra gentle soap and it has shea butter. 17. What's up with this little mini? Okay, so I have the mini, like the little mini of the hand cream. This is a light comforting hand cream or cream. The little ones are just so adorable. 18. Where are you? 18. Right here. We have another bar soap. This is the extra gentle milk soap. For some reason, I can smell it. It smells so good. Here we go, 19. And we have a... They're so small, I can't even see them. This is the shampoo. The little mini shampoo. We have 20. Okay, this is like a full hand size. This is the milk concentrated. What is this for? I'm assuming it's a cream. Probably a hand cream. This is a hydrating cream that helps with the skin. And also it makes your skin look much firmer. Oh, these are so cute. We have a small, another mini cream. This is a small mini cream. Oh my god. These are so adorable. Like, all these little ones are my favorite. They are so cute. We're gonna go for 22. Okay, this is different. What is this? This is from the 22. What's in it? Is this little like face scrubber or body scrubber? The mini? Oh my god. This is so cute and adorable. This is one of the best advent calendar for me this year. One of the best one. Here's 23rd. We have another bottle of cleansing milk. This is made with shea extract. This is a cleanser for all skin type. This is the first skin cleanser. And then lastly, we have 24. We have 24. I'm so excited. Do we have like a full size? This is, I have never had this in my, I was just telling you guys earlier how my skin is so dry. Imagine how my feet is. Extremely dry. I have this like ashy skin. Like when I scratch myself, you can see the ashes. And this is for the foot. This one has 25% shea butter. And this is for a dry, rough feet like mine. Oh my god. I am so excited. You guys have no idea. I am so excited for all of this. And this is the cream. And I am definitely putting this on my feet every night. Oh my gosh, I am so thankful, L'Occitane, for sending me this advent calendar. This is one of my best calendar of this year. Like, my first and my best one. I'm telling you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you guys like this advent calendar too.